Welcome to the channel Auto Trend. Today, we're diving into a legendary muscle car. What if Ford had unveiled the Torino Cobra Jet back in 1965? While the Torino name officially arrived later, this high-performance beast would have been a game-changer in the golden era of muscle cars. In 1965, Ford was already making waves with powerful cars like the Mustang and Fairlane. If the Torino Cobra Jet had hit the streets that year, it would have featured an aggressive design, a lightweight body, and a monstrous 427 or 428 Cobra Jet V8 under the hood. Imagine the roar of that engine, delivering pure American muscle with unmatched speed and torque. The styling would have been classic Ford: bold lines, chrome accents, and a fastback silhouette designed for both performance and style. Inside, it would have been driver-focused, with a sporty dashboard, bucket seats, and race-inspired gauges. Whether on the drag strip or the open road, this Torino Cobra Jet would have been a serious contender against the best muscle cars of the mid-60s. While the real Torino Cobra Jet debuted later in the muscle car era, imagining it in 1965 gives us a glimpse of what could have been. A powerhouse of speed and style, it would have set new standards for performance and become an instant classic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible automotive content. What's your favorite Ford muscle car? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more classic car history and trends. See you in the next video.